Hey fellas, and here is my most hateable tool, the saw of Makita, and this one is not working, so let's check it. Okay, I'm plugging it in. Yep, definitely not working. Okay, so of course I'm plugging it, and I will remove the blade here. The shoe is missing here, the rubber cover is damaged. Oh well, it is like it is. So now we will check the brushes. The brushes look good, almost like new. Okay. What I will do now, I will try to measure the voltage on the brush caps. Okay, I will try to hold it somehow like that, with a big hope that the voltage is here. Okay, we don't have any voltage here. Now we need to open the handle. Okay, first thing what we want to check is the cord. Let's check if we have continuity on the cord. We have on one, so the cord seems to be good. Okay, this is the out of the cord, and let's take a look. Maybe we will see something obvious here. Not this time. So now I'm just plugging it in, turning the multimeter on the AC mode, and double checking if we have the voltage here. Yeah, now if you can see, we have the voltage here. I hope you can see. Okay, and when I plug it in, we still have a voltage. That's a good sign for us. Okay, let's check what we have here. We have voltage when it's plugged in, so that's a sign that we are going deeper into this tool, and it's the most hateable part for me is removing this fucking rubber. This time I think I will be needed only to unscrew the screws for the motor, and we will find the field or the armature damage. Okay, let's remove the armature, and the tool itself looks good. have the copper wire springs on the brushes. I'm removing them. Okay, remember to take the field out, and we can immediately spot the problem. The spring from this wire is just burned out, so definitely tool will not work like that. Okay, and now we are in a situation when we need to fix this somehow. Okay, we will find a way to do that. Okay fellas, what I made here, I have cut the old connection and joined the wire with the spring wire together again. Now I need to put the field back, of course, and most tricky part almost every time is to put the spring wires back on the brush holders. Okay, let's begin with the first one, and you are lucky if your two fingers can fit inside. Almost like mine. And the difference is that mine almost not fitting. Okay, press at the first spring with the fingers. Now we need to go for the second one, and the other way we can do that, we can try to hold it with a big flat screwdriver here. So we are holding the back of the spring on the brush holder and then pressing it with the fingers, and that's how we are mounting it. Okay. Now with a big hope that everything is good, you can try it installed, housing back. I will put the wires here. That does protection. Okay, it was no error or something. Okay. Remove the handle accidentally. Okay, let's close the handle. Let's insert the brushes. get the rubber back. Okay, nice and smooth. It works perfectly. Thank you for watching. I will order the rubber and the shoe for the customer. It's not worth of showing in a video. For you, thank you for watching and just bye.